let's make a grapefruit salad with hazelnuts and honey mint dressing. For the dressing, you'll need honey, white balsamic vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, mint, salt, and pepper. You're going to take all those ingredients and toss them into a blender. Blend on high speed until nice and smooth. Next, you're going to gather your greens, some arugula, along with some chopped radicchio, and toss them all together. Use your hands if you want, but just make sure they're clean. Next, take a grapefruit, peel it, and cut it into some segments. Be sure and save the juice. Add the juice to the greens along with the grapefruit segments, then toss some hazelnuts in a pan, get them nice and toasty, being careful not to burn, and then gather the rest of your ingredients, avocado, grapefruit, and mint. Put them on top of your salad along with a nice generous drizzle of dressing, and you have the most delicious salad. Enjoy!